I don't know what they put in the flu this year, but bro, that shit is kicking. Oh my god. Fuck. Do yourself a favor and get the flu shot.
We are seeing so much influenza right now. I'm a doctor of internal medicine and pediatrics, so let's talk about it. It's a little early right now to see if the influenza virus that we're seeing right now is causing more severe symptoms than other times, but anecdotally, we are seeing a lot of videos where people saying they are very, very sick with the flu. I will say in my practice, I am seeing a lot of children admitted with influenza A, but to say we're seeing a lot more or more severe cases than we're usually seeing is a little hard to say right now. It'll take several months before we know if this flu season is worse than previous years, but what we do know right now is that there's a large increase in influenza A across the United States. 41% of states are reporting an increase of cases of influenza A and hospitalizations from influenza A. Just last week, the influenza test positivity rate jumped from 18% to 29%, and the majority of these cases being influenza A. So if you feel like you have symptoms, what can you do about this? Number one, get tested early. And if you do test positive for influenza, consider taking Tamiflu. Some of the benefits of Tamiflu are it decreases the duration of symptoms, decreases the likelihood of severe complications. If you happen to be hospitalized with influenza, it decreases the length of stay in the hospital, decreases the rate of ICU transfers, and decreases the rate of readmissions. Also, outside of treatment for influenza, as this creator said, consider getting the influenza vaccine. Vaccinations are so important and can decrease the severity of the symptoms of influenza and decrease the rate of hospitalization. So with all this being said, influenza is spreading like crazy right now in the United States. If you're symptomatic, consider getting tested. If you test positive to the flu, talk to your healthcare provider about treatment options. And if you or your kiddo is having trouble breathing, not able to eat or drink, or if you just have any concerns, please make sure to seek medical attention. If you've had influenza this year, let me know down in the comments how your experience has been.